The camera industry is standing on the precipice of a total paradigm shift. And if you have been waiting for the one device that finally renders the competition obsolete, you need to listen closely because the leaks surrounding the Canon EOS R4 are nothing short of industry-shattering. For years, the number 4 was intentionally skipped in Canon's premium lineup, fueling endless speculation. But the latest 2026 intelligence confirms that Canon was waiting for the right moment to unveil a true hybrid monster. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This isn't just another iterative upgrade. The Canon EOS R4 is being engineered to bridge the gap between high-speed action photography and the medium format resolution that commercial studios demand. The crown jewel of this architecture is a revolutionary 60.3 megapixel stacked backside illuminated BSI CMOS sensor that Canon has spent years perfecting. By moving to this stacked sensor design, the Canon EOS R4 effectively kills rolling shutter, a massive win for sports and wildlife photographers who need pixel-perfect precision even when tracking subjects moving at extreme velocities. But let's talk about the real reason the industry is buzzing. The Canon EOS R4 isn't just focusing on stills. It is aiming to dominate the cinema world with internal, uncropped 8K, 60p RAW recording capabilities that promise to redefine what a mirrorless body can do on a professional film set. To support this massive data pipeline without the catastrophic overheating that has plagued other high-resolution flagships, the Canon EOS R4 is rumored to feature an advanced, passive graphene cooling system. This isn't just a gimmick. It's an engineering marvel that allows for continuous, long-form shooting in demanding environments without the bulk and noise of a battery-draining internal fan. Canon has essentially looked at every pain point professional filmmakers face and designed the Canon EOS R4 to systematically eliminate them. When you look at the autofocus performance, the Canon EOS R4 is expected to launch with a next-generation action priority AI autofocus network. This isn't just standard subject tracking. It is a deep learning neural engine capable of analyzing athlete movements and predicting their path before they even make a turn. The Canon EOS R4 will pair this with an upgraded 9 million electronic viewfinder that supports advanced eye control AF 2.0, allowing you to move your focus points simply by looking at the target. This level of synergy between the shooter and the machine makes the Canon EOS R4 feel less like a tool and more like an extension of your own vision. The ambition behind the Canon EOS R4 doesn't stop at the native sensor resolution. Canon is integrating a cutting-edge, in-camera high-resolution pixel shift upscaling engine that can output massive 240 megapixel images. For commercial photographers who need to print billboards or handle high-end fashion shoots, the Canon EOS R4 offers the flexibility of a medium format system in a rugged, weather-sealed mirrorless body that can go anywhere. This level of versatility ensures that the Canon EOS R4 remains a future-proof investment for any studio workflow. Furthermore, the Canon EOS R4 is expected to make the leap to dual CF Express Type B card slots, ensuring that the blistering data rates required for 8K 60p RAW video are handled with total reliability. Every detail of the Canon EOS R4, from the magnesium alloy construction to the ergonomics of the grip, is designed for the professional who spends 12 hours a day on location. There is no doubt that with the Canon EOS R4, the company is sending a clear message to Sony and Nikon that they are reclaiming the high ground. As we approach the late autumn launch window, the projected pricing of approximately $4,799 for the Canon EOS R4 body is already causing intense debate among gear enthusiasts. While this puts the Canon EOS R4 firmly in the top-tier professional category, the feature set, from that 60.3 MP stack sensor to the thermal management of the graphene cooling, suggests a camera that will hold its value and performance ceiling for years to come. Whether you are a wedding photographer needing flawless low-light performance or a cinematographer pushing the boundaries of 8K production, the Canon EOS R4 is built to be the final word in your kit. Stay tuned as we continue to track every official announcement and hardware verification regarding the Canon EOS R4, because this is going to be the most significant release of 2026.